Hi, my complete name is Della Siskiara Rasanti. Call me Della. Healthy Air Solution. Prior to the COVID-19 pandemic, community mobility, factory production, which continued to operate, caused a very high increase in air pollution. During this pandemic, mobility and factory operation are limited, able to suppress the increased pollution. But air quality during this pandemic is certainly important for us. Is the air we breathe healthy and clean from microcyst contaminants? I quoted from the Deltic News website which published on Friday, July 2nd, 2021. The government suggests the use of an air purifier to suppress the transmission of the coronavirus included species. Some come with a product called Atmosphere, which is an air purifier. There are two types, namely Atmosphere Sky from rooms and Atmosphere Drive for cars. Atmosphere Sky is able to efficiently clean the air with a room capacity of 43 meters, capable of filtering contaminants as small as 0.0024 microns, including dust, allergen, cigarette smoke, bacteria, and airborne viruses as SARS-CoV because it uses HEPA, high efficiency particulate air, even safe to use when on the move or while sleeping, and save energy. This is distinguishes Sky Atmosphere air purifier product from others. Super smart because it can be connected to the Sky application installed on the cell phone. The Sky application is equipped with air quality information and a touchscreen display. Super easy because it is easy to move and also easy to maintain. The Sky Atmosphere is also internationally certified. Energy Star proven to save energy. HR proven to eliminate allergies. Allergy UK proven to reduce allergy. The only air purifier product that is certified, verified, proven took a series of the tests in the laboratory. Atmosphere Sky can be purchased with a direct sales system for prices. There is a company code of ethic. You can check on the official website www.amway.id. For July 2021, there is a promo for credit card user with installment of up to 24 months without interest. Let's find out more. And Atmosphere Sky has a 5-year warranty. Atmosphere Drive is an air filter for car. He can carry out all the filtration process up to the equivalent of a 25-seater car. Has 3 filters such as Atmosphere Sky, but a 3-in-1 filter so that it can filter contaminants as small as PM2.5. The only air filter product in a car that is certified UK allergy as allergy-free product. Smart technology, which is able to read the filter life when it runs out, the light will turn off. Automatically turn off every 2 hours so you don't have to forget to turn off, and automatically adjust the air conditioning. Atmosphere Drive is also sold with a direct sales system. For prices, there is a company code of ethic, and you can check the official website at www.amway.id, and there is also an attractive member price. And attention, Atmosphere Drive has a 1-year warranty. That is all. Thank you. Bye bye.